Hey there, pups and pals. It's me, Stanley the Pup. Are you ready to have some fun and learn your colors with me? We're gonna rhyme, bark, and laugh our way to learning our colors. So come on, sing after me, okay? Let's go! Tail wags from left and right. I see the world in colors bright. Red like apples, green like trees, blue just like the deepest seas. Colors, colors all around, everywhere they can be found. Red and blue, green too, hooray! Yellow like the sun so high, orange like a pumpkin. Purple grapes are juicy sweet. Brown is mud beneath our feet. Pink like flowers in the spring. Black like night where crickets sing. Colors, colors all around, everywhere they can be found. Red and blue, green too, hooray! White like snow that falls so light. Gray like clouds on rainy nights. And jump around, every color can be found. Let's all shout them nice and loud. Colors make the world so proud. Colors, colors all around, everywhere they can be found. Red and blue, green too, hooray! Red and blue and yellow too. Colors make the world brand new. That was awesome! You sang your colors like total superstars! Give yourself a big cheer and maybe a belly rub too. Thanks for singing with me, Stanley the Pup. Don't forget to come back for more tail wagging fun. Ow! Bye-bye, friends. See you next time. Woof, woof. M is for monkey, say M, marvelous. N is for no, say N, nice job.